Hello students, we are here going to start with the polynomials, which is the second chapter. Okay, now here if we go through the polynomials, so first what is polynomial, that we have to understand. Basically we have studied it in previous class also, but just to go through it once again, we will be having some examples. Now suppose if we are having, say it is p of x which is equals to 5x minus 3, then we can say is a polynomial in variable x. Okay, polynomial, basically we know that poly means for many. Polynomials, p of x which is equals to 5x minus 3 is a polynomial in variable x. Similarly, if we are taking another example, if I am saying p of x which is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 4, this is also a polynomial in variable x. Again, if we go ahead by taking another example, suppose I am taking say p of t is equals to say 1 upon 2 t to the power 3 minus 3t square plus 2t minus 4. So here what we are getting, again this is giving us the polynomial in variable t. We can have any variable. One variable is here x, here it is also x, here it is we have taken t. So this way what we are getting the polynomials. Okay, now suppose if we are having an example like this, say 2x to the power 3 minus 3 upon x minus 4. If we go through this, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Why it is not a it is not a polynomial? Because if we go with this, it has x to the power 3. Here what we are getting? 3 to the power x minus 1. Okay, so this is not a polynomial. Okay, now if we go with another example, say if we are having say 2y square minus 3 root y plus 3. Now here what we are having? We are having y to the power 1 by 2, which is not a polynomial. So this way we can differentiate polynomials. Okay, now if we talk about the degree of polynomial which is asked, so degree of polynomial, what will be that we have to see. Okay, so here if we take some examples, if we are taking say p of x is equals to 3x plus 5 by 2. Now here if we go with the x, what we are having? We are having a x to the power 1, means its degree of polynomial it shows its degree of polynomial is 1, means its degree of 1. Here x to the power 1. Now if we are having another example, say it is f of y which is equals to 2y square minus 3/2 y plus 7. Again what we are having here highest degree we have to see here. Highest degree is y to the power 2. Degree of polynomial is 2. Okay, so degree of 2 is this. So this way we can determine the degree. If we are having highest power 3, suppose for an example, if we are having any other equation, any polynomial like this, p of x is equal to 3x cube minus 2x square plus x then it is going to be the degree. Here highest degree is 3. So we can say 3 is the degree of polynomial. 3 is the degree of polynomial. So this way we can determine the degree of polynomial. Now then it comes to be a constant polynomial. We will go with that. Constant polynomial. If we go through the constant polynomial, means it is clear that its degree is constant. A polynomial of degree 0, that we can say degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. So if we are having some values like this, f of x which is equal to say 6, then it is, if we are having say p of x is equal to 1, then here what we are having, any polynomial which is having a degree 0. Suppose I am putting x to the power 0 here, so it will become 6 only. Here if 1 is here means it has x to the power 0 here. So this way we can differentiate, or we can have this constant polynomial. Now if we are having a number like this, f of x equal to 0, now it is not having any degree, because if we multiply it with x to the power 0, or if it, so it is going to be again 0, means it is not having any degree of polynomial. So degree of the 0 of polynomial is not defined. Okay, then it comes to the next one, that is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Now in linear polynomial, a polynomial which is having a degree of 1, which is having a degree of 1, degree of 1. We can take any example, any equation. Just for an example, it is 4x minus 5. We can take f of x. Now here x to the power 1 is there. Degree of 1 means this is a linear polynomial. We can have so many examples. If we are having this f of x is equal to say 2x square plus x plus 1. Now this is not going to be the degree of polynomial which is here, it is 2. So it is not a linear polynomial. It will be a quadratic polynomial that we will go through the next one. Okay. So we can say here, if we are having any polynomial in variable x, we have got here x, that's why we are talking any variable. Okay. So with here it is a real coefficient. So we can say finally f of x which is equal to ax plus b, okay, where a and b are real numbers and a is not equal to b. A is not equal to b. सॉरी a is not equal to b नहीं, इसको हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे if we put a equals to 0, a is not equal to 0, then it will be having no value. If I am substituting a instead of a, I am writing 0 x plus b, so it will become only b. Then there will be degree of x to the power 0 will be there, and it will not be a linear polynomial. So here if we are having an f of x is equal to ax plus b and a and b are real numbers, a must not be equal to 0. a की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. 0 होगी तो ये इक्वेशन क्या बन के आ जाएगी, इक्वल्स टू b, and it has no meaning for the linear polynomials. Now then we can talk about the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial now if we go through the quadratic polynomial, it is clear its degree of polynomial is 2. Degree, if it is 2, then we can call it as a quadratic polynomial. Degree of polynomial, if it is 2, then it is going to be degree of polynomial 2, quadratic polynomial. If we take some example, say it is 2x square plus 3x minus 4 upon 5, which is equal to f of x. Okay, so this way we can determine, or we can understand it if we are having a highest power here. Here it is x power 2, highest power is 2. Here it is x to the power 1. Here it is x to the power 0. So this way power is decreasing here. One thing that we can note here, एक यहाँ पे हम ये नोट कर सकते हैं कि इसकी पावर क्या हो रही है, डिक्रीज हो रही है. हाईएस्ट पावर है, यहाँ लोएस्ट पावर है, फिर इससे लोएस्ट पावर. हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है यहाँ 2, तो हम कह सकते हैं इट इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक 1. If we are having another example, say f of x which is equals to say 2 minus x square plus root 3 into x, then again it is going to be a polynomial, a quadratic polynomial, because here again we are, if we are arranging it, you try to arrange them in a order. It will be like this. The power is decreasing here. Okay. So here we have got the quadratic polynomial. Now then it is a cubic polynomial. If we go with the power again, mostly we are having this, say x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1, it is f of x. Then we can see here the power, highest power is 3, so degree of here it is equal to 3 of this. So we can say it is a cubic polynomial. We can take so many example. Okay, so this way we can have quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and linear polynomial. In linear polynomial, if we are having some value only, say for example, say if we are having f of x is equal to say 2 upon 5 upon x. Now here x to the power 1 is there here. We can call it as also monomial because it is having only one power. That I forget to explain, that's why I am taking it here. Okay, so cubic polynomials, quadratic polynomials and linear polynomials. Now if we go with the next, that is a biquadratic polynomial. This is going to be biquadratic polynomial. If we go through the biquadratic polynomial, means its degree, highest degree is equal to 4. If we are having some value, say x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3 plus 2x square plus x plus 1, we can say this is having highest power here, it is 4. So it is a biquadratic polynomial. Now we will go with value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial if we go through the value of a polynomial, suppose if we are taking an example, say f of x which is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Now here if we substitute x equal to 1, means f of 1 to 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 2, it is going to be 2 minus 3 minus 2, that is 2 minus 5, which is going to be minus 3. Okay.